Today, let's check out this 2002 Trackmaster Triumph. Well, welcome to Bader International and Bader Classic Auctions. This motorcycle project is actually slated for our next upcoming auction that's going to run through the entire month of March. And this motorcycle is going to be selling at no reserve. We actually built this bike. This is a prototype with a Trackmaster frame, the only one. And since we have so many other projects in the queue, I'm never going to get around to this, so we're going to go ahead and let her go. We used many of the original Triumph products, like the front forks, and the wheels, brakes, and everything. We did polish up the hubs and lace them up to Sun rims. I think they're Suns. Custom-made header pipes, re-chromed or chromed. And we installed a Honda 450 gas tank, and the engine only has 4,755 miles on it. A lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of money was put into this project, but again, we just don't have time to mess with it. So we'll let the next lucky owner finish her up and have a great bike to ride. The auction is going to be going over our Bader Classic Auctions website, so make sure you sign in, register, and even if you've registered before and was one of our previous buyers, please make sure you re-register again. And we have many other motorcycles, approximately 50, that are going to be going over the block, some with reserve, some without. And we also have 1,800 different parts and memorabilia lots, all selling at no reserve. So make sure you check out BaderClassicAuctions.com and bid away.